Good morning students. Now see your page number 89, exercise 6D. A question. Add the following by converting into paise. What is given here? Rupees, in the first example, rupees 69.70 plus rupees 25.25. So we have to just convert into paise, means we have to just remove this point. When we remove this point, what number will be this now? 6,970 plus 2,525. Just write down like this, and this question A you have to complete in your notebook. So everything you write down like this: maths, lesson number 6, money, exercise 6D. Write down this A question, then write down this first question. So we are converting this rupees into paise. So in each box you will write each separate number. No need to write this point, because in that question what is given, just convert into paise. So no need to write this point. Then write down 25. Now add this number. Simply addition is there. 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. Carry 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So what is our answer? 9,495. So like this you have to write in your notebook. Now what is second question? Rupees 59.80 plus rupees 19.10. So in this case also we have to just remove the points, and then simply addition is there. So like this you have to write in your notebook. So 59.80, if we remove this point, which number is there? 5,980 plus rupees 19.10. If we remove this point, which number is there? 1,910. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So what is our answer? 7,890. Now write down third question. Third question is rupees 58.75 plus rupees 29.50. So you just write down. If we remove this 58 point, this point, which number is there? 5,875. Then rupees 29.50. So 2,950. Addition. So write down here plus 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 5, 12. Carry 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So what is our answer? 8,825. Now see fourth question. Rupees 33.50 plus rupees 29.68. So remove this point. Which number is there now? 33.50. So if we remove this point, 3,350 plus 29.68. So you write down here 2,968. 8 plus 0, 8. 6 plus 5, 11. Carry 1. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 9, 13. Carry 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So what is our answer? 6,318. So in this way you have to complete in your notebook. Now see fifth question. What is given in this question? Rupees 54.80 plus rupees 28.60. So we have to remove this point. So just write down 5480. Write down each number in each separate box. Then rupees plus 28.60. So 2860. Plus sign is there. So write down there plus sign. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 6, 14. Carry 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. Carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So what is our answer? 8340. Now see sixth question. Rupees 45.50 plus rupees 25.50. So 44,550 plus, we have to remove this point, 2,550. Simply add this. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. Carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. Carry 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. So what is our answer? 7,100. So all these 6 questions you have to write in your notebook. Now see your B question. Add each of the following. This question B also you have to complete in your notebook. So write down like this. Add each of the following. Then write down first question. So like this you will write each number in each separate box. And below this first point, all the points should be there. Because this point is very much important. This side of this point is rupees and this side of this point is paise. So that should be very clearly separated. So first example we will see rupees 12.25 plus rupees 35.65 plus rupees 20.00. 20.00 means paise is not given, only 20 rupees is there. So simply addition is there. 5 plus 5, 10, carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 0, 9. So below this point should be there. So write down this point. Then add 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 0, 7. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Write down this rupees sign as it is. So what is our answer? 67 rupees 90 paise. So like this second also, rupees 31.40 plus rupees 19 plus 65, 90 rupees plus 65 paise plus 50 rupees 00 paise. Means only 50 rupees. Now addition is there. 5 plus 0, 5. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. So write down here 0, carry is 1. Write down this dot below this dot. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Write down 1 here, carry is 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. So write down here 10. So what is our answer? 101.05 means rupees. Write down here rupees 101.05 paise. Now see third example. Rupees 15.25 plus rupees 43.85 plus rupees 12.50. So 5 plus 5, 10. Write down here 0, carry is 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. So write down here 6, carry 1. And below this point you write down this point. Writing of this point is very much important. Now 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. So write down here 1. Carry is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So write down here rupees 71.60 paise is our answer. Now see fourth example. Rupees 3.45 paise, rupees 69.25 paise, rupees 16.30 paise. Now below this point, this first point, all the remaining points should be there. So this box we have to keep empty because only 3 rupees is given. no number is here, so we should not write anything here. Okay, then see, simply addition we have to do. 5 plus 5, 10. Write down here 0, carry is 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. So write down here 0, carry is 1. First you write down this dot. Below this dot, all the dots should be there. So 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 9, 13. 13 plus 6, 19. So write down here 9. Carry is 1. Write down here 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. And write down here rupees sign. So what is our answer? 89 rupees 00 paise. So all these 4 examples you complete in your notebook. Now see C question. What is C question? Solve. So this C question also you have to complete in your notebook because these are all 6 word problems. So we will see first word problem. Radha gave rupees 56.90 to her daughter. राधा ने क्या किया? अपनी लड़की को 56.90 रुपीस दिए एंड 35.50 टू हर सन, और 35 रुपीस और 50 पैसे उन्होंने अपने लड़के को दिए. फाइंड द टोटल मनी गिवन बाय राधा टू हर चिल्ड्रन. अभी हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? फाइंड द टोटल मनी. What is this word? Total money. Total money means what? Total we have to find out total. Total means we have to do here addition. Find the total money given by Radha to her children. So what we have to do here? You just write down like this: rupees 56.90 plus rupees 35.50. So now do the addition. 0 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 5, 14. Carry 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. You just give that point below this point. You remember this thing, huh? See, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. Write down 2 here. Carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Write down here rupees. What is our answer? 92.40 paise. So we have to write down the last statement. So Radha gave rupees 92.40 to her children. Okay, in this way you have to complete in your notebook. Now see second example. Harsh had rupees 20.50 paise with him. His father gave him rupees 75 as his pocket money. How much money does he have now? हर्ष नाम का एक लड़का है जिसके पास 20 रुपीज और 50 पैसे है. His father gave him rupees 75 as his pocket money. उसके पास पहले कितने रुपीस थे? 20 रुपीज और 50 पैसे थे. फिर उसके पापा ने क्या किया? उसको 75 रुपीज दिए एज अ पॉकेट मनी. पॉकेट मनी हमको मिलती है ना हर एक महीने के बाद, तो ऐसे 75 रुपीज की पॉकेट मनी उसको मिली. हाउ मच मनी डज ही हैव नाउ? सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू हियर? Here also we have to do addition. So write down rupees 20.50 plus rupees 75. Only 75 rupees is given. Paise is not given. So after this dot we have to write here 0, 0. Then only our answer will be correct. Now see, now do this addition. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. Below this point you have to write dot, give that dot. So remember to give that dot. 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 2, 9. Write down rupees sign here. Okay. So what is our answer? Rupees 95.50 paise. So write down the last statement. So Harsh have rupees 95.50. Now, so all these things, this last statement also you have to write in your notebook. Now see third example. Roger went for shopping and bought a toy for rupees 25 and 75 paise and a bat for rupees 40 rupees and 20 paise. How much money did he spend in all? क्या दिया है अभी एग्जाम्पल में? रॉजर नाम का एक लड़का है जिसने शॉपिंग के लिए गया था और उसने क्या क्या परचेस किया. एंड बॉट अ टॉय, एक खिलौना लेके आया. खिलौने की प्राइस कितनी है? 25 रुपीज 75 पैसे. एंड अ बैट, उसने एक खेलने की क्रिकेट बैट भी लेकर आया. उसकी प्राइस है रुपीज 40 and 20 paise. So what is the question? How much money did he spend in all? In all, this word is very important. In this example also we have to do the addition. So write down rupees 25.75. Then write down rupees 40.20 and now do the addition. Simple addition we have to do here. 5 plus 0 5, 7 plus 2 9. Below this dot you give this dot. 5 plus 0 5, 4 plus 2 6. Write down rupees as it is. So what is our answer? 65 rupees and 95 paise. So write down last statement. So he spent rupees 65 plus 95 rupees 65 and 95 paise in all. So as it is you write in your notebook. Now see fourth example. Jasmine bought a pack of nuts for rupees 22, apples for rupees 35 and a dozen oranges for rupees 36. How much money did she spend? जस्मीन ने क्या किया? मार्केट गई और उन्होंने क्या किया? ए पैक ऑफ नट्स. नट्स मीन्स अभी यहाँ पे हम लोग समझो ग्राउंड नट, जो हम लोग खाते हैं ग्राउंड नट जो बोलते हैं, हम उसको शेंगदाने बोलते हैं ना. तो वैसे लिए फॉर रुपीज 22. एप्पल्स लिए, कितने रुपीज के हो गए एप्पल्स? 35 रुपीज के हो गए. और एक डजन, 1 डजन क्या किया? ऑरेंजेस लिए और उसकी प्राइस कितनी है? 36 रुपीज. हाउ मच मनी डिड शी स्पेंड? नाउ सी हियर only rupees are given, not paise. Not a single dot is there. So very simple. We can write only rupees. Then write down 1 by 1, 22. No need to give here dot because nothing is there. So no need to write. Then apples for 35 rupees and rupees 36 oranges. So now we have to do here simple addition. Paise is not given, so don't write. Now do the addition. 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 2 13. Carry 1. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9. Write down rupees as it is. What is our answer? 93. So write down last statement. So she spent rupees 93. In this way you have to write in your notebook. Now see fifth example. Mona bought a pencil for rupees 15. मोना ने क्या किया? एक पेंसिल लाई, उसकी प्राइस कितनी है? 15 रुपीज. अ पेन फॉर रुपीज 25 एंड 50 पैसे. एक पेन खरीदा, उसकी प्राइस कितनी है? रुपीज 25 एंड 50 पैसे. एंड अ नोटबुक फॉर ₹45.75। और एक नोटबुक भी लेकर आई, उसकी प्राइस है 45.75। फाइंड द टोटल मनी स्पेंट बाय हर। टोटल मनी, this word is very important. Total money means what we have to do here? Just simple addition. So write down. Remember here only ₹15 is given, not paise is given. But below this pen, this notebook, they are having some paise also. So that's why we have to write here 0.00 because paise are there. Okay, so ₹15.00, then ₹25.50, then ₹45.75. Now do the simple addition. 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 5, 12. Carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. You write down this carry dot here. 16 carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. And this rupees as it is. What is our answer? 86.25 paise. So write down the statement. So rupees 86.25 paise spent by her. So write down in your notebook. Now see sixth example. Sushma bought potatoes for ₹12.50. सुषमा मार्केट गई थी और उसने पोटैटोज लाए, कितने रुपए के लाए? 12.50। टोमेटोज फॉर ₹16.25। टोमेटोज कितने रुपीस के लाए? 16.25 के लाए। एंड ओनियंस लाए, उसने प्याज लाए फॉर ₹20 रुपीस के प्याज लेके आए। हाउ मच डिड she spent in all? In all, this word is very important. How much did she spend in all? Means यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? Addition करनी पड़ेगी. So write down ₹12.50, ₹16.25, ₹20.00 means only 20 rupees 00 paise. Now do simple addition here. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Now give this point below this point. 6 plus 2, 8. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. And rupees, write down here. So what is our answer? ₹48.75 paise. So you write down last statement. So she spent ₹48.75 in all. So in this way you complete all these 6 examples in your notebook.